I will be showing you how to make homemade serum or any cream that will make your face pink. So this is the ingredient: rose water, aloe vera gel. This is the beetroot. I have peeled the beetroot and took the juice, extracted the juice from it. And this is a small bottle of aloe vera gel. I have put it inside this. This is vitamin E capsules, and this is wild turmeric. What you have to do is take some 3 to 4 spoon of aloe vera gel and mix it with extracted beetroot juice, and this you will get. If you want, you can add some rose water also. And this is wild turmeric. ಸೊ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಅರಿಶಿನ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್. So this is how it will look. So then you have to mix and make it paste of it, and you have to apply and leave it for 15 minutes and use it as a, and just by using cold water, just wash your face. Any water like lukewarm water also it is okay, like you have to. So this is how the cream will look. This is the end result. So you have to apply on your face and leave it for 15 minutes and wash your face with the cold water. So this is how it look like a jam, but it is not actually jam. This is a cream which will make your face pink. So first you have to extract beetroot juice, take aloe vera gel. If you want rose water, you can use the rose water as well, but this is optional. I have not used it. So I have mixed the beetroot juice with aloe vera gel and use some vitamin E capsules, 1 or 2. You can open it and pour it inside, and you will get the cream like this. Just mix it. So if you are allergic to kasturi methi, so this is the wild turmeric, you can use it, or it is optional. Apply on your face and leave it for 15 minutes and you will get a glowing pink skin. Thank you.